Welcome this video and our ground fount is a beautiful and found a way to bring water functional to your outdoor space without the complete of dining into the ground. It's gardening for homeowner what's which a gardening pound but perfect and unsync installing process better controlling over the structure and any angled decoration elements in their backyard, whether to create a relaxed water gardening and smart keep pond or a natural wild and upper ground pond often endlessly design possibility. What is an upper ground pond? An upper ground pond is a water container or structure built on top to the gardening, then due into its and be make for various material wood, metal, stone, pound keep. Main people choice this or pound balance is quick wood